Alright, time for another fix on the van. The headlight is out. So, time to pop the hood and troubleshoot. I do take note that the side marker is out there too. So, I'm not thinking it's a bulb, it's probably a connection that maybe came loose. Let's take a look. Well, I reached my hand down there and I did feel a connection loose, but it's not a whole lot of space for this hand and arm to get through here, so I'm going to try and take this off. Got a 1/2 inch bolts right here. There'd probably be some other ones I need to do, but as you can see, I think the heat has done that in, so probably be okay with just getting these done. Alright, so I've got it moved out of the way, and you can't really see in there very well. Let's see if I can get a light in there. Okay, I've got a headlamp here, and you see these two wires? They need to go to these headlight prongs there, so I'm going to try and get those put on there. Okay, well, I got them connected right there, if you can see. And with that being connected, look at that. I got the light. Oh, the marker was on. Uh-oh. What happened? I'm gonna have to figure that out. Okay, a little wiggle and jiggle, and there we have it. Both lights are on. Sweet. Time to put those screws back in, and we'll call it a day. Alright, got it buttoned back in, and now my lights work. If you enjoyed watching it, like and subscribe. Have a great day.